Hey everyone, let us check out the Hohem iSteadyXE Kit Smartphone Gimbal. Weighing just 259 grams, this ultra-compact stabilizer easily fits right in your pocket. The advanced 3-axis anti-shake design keeps your video smooth and steady during movement. You can quickly switch between landscape and portrait mode with a single button press. The magnetic fill light features 3 colors and 10 brightness levels for great lighting anywhere. Control is simple with just 4 buttons and a joystick for quick setup. Download the companion app to unlock extra features and create professional videos today. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.